Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable two-factor authentication on Anydesk. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Anydesk, and then once you're here, you'll be seeing this 4-bar icon. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, you'll be seeing this drop-down menu, and among the options, simply select the option that says settings. And once you click on settings, you'll be seeing this general pop-up box. Now on the top, you'll be seeing a bunch of options like general, security, privacy, display, audio, connection, VPN, and wake on LAN. Simply select security option, and once you select security, under unattended access, you'll be getting an option that says enable two-factor authentication. Simply click on it, and once you check on this, you'll be enabled for save login information. And then once you click on it, click on this option, you'll be enabled for short-term passwords, example remote start. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.